Previously, you already downloaded the templates and know how to use the basic function in the Chrome Developer Tool to customize HTML. In this video, we're going to customize the template and create our landing page. And here is what you would have after finish this task. Going back to the templates, as the one we're going to be just have three sessions: services, features, and notifies. So the first thing to do is remove about and team session. To do that, first right click on above the team and select. Next, we need to find out the session tag, and here as command mentioned, team session. Right click on here and delete node. All gone. We're going to do the same thing with about session. So here is a session for about. If you click on about and team, nothing happened because we already removed that session. We also need to remove those about and team menu items on navigation bar. Good. Next, we're going to change the text in the header. So let's do that with your startup's name first. Right click on the Start Bootstrap and select Inspect Elements. Double click on here. We're going to change that to 04 Startup. Press Enter. We also want to change portfolio to the features, contact to the notifier as well. Now we want to get those messages in headers. Looks like this. So let's do it now. As I mentioned in the previous video, it's just a temporary change in the browser storage, and once you refresh the page, it will come back to the original page. To make it safe, we have to copy all change we done so far into the index.html file. So to do that, right click on here and select Inspect Elements. We will right click on HTML tag, select Edit as HTML, and press Command A to highlight everything in here. Then we click Copy. Then we need to open the index.html file in the editor, text editor, and replace everything in the HTML tag with the one we just copied. Click Save. Go back to the template and click Refresh. Cool. Everything's still there because we just update the index.html. The last thing I would like to do is replace the background image. We need to find out where they store the background image and just replace it with else. So right click anywhere on the background and select Inspect Elements. It will bring us under the header tag. So click on header tag, and we can see in the style panel, in the background image property, we can see the URL, which is the path to the image. And the file name is header-bg.jpg. What we want to do now is just copy the new background image. And we're gonna replace the one in the image folder. So I'll just delete the current one. And rename this one to the header-bg.jpg. Now go back to the template and hit refresh. Cool, we have a new background image easily. Alright, well done. We just create our own header for the new landing page. Next, we'll be creating our own services section.